Hello and welcome to Coral Regs in Depth. Today I'm going to be looking at Rule 15, which is crossing situations. Now of course Rule 15 fits again into Part B, Section 2, Conduct of Vessels in Sight of one another. So we're only going to be applying this rule when two vessels can actually see each other. So looking at the rule itself, when two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way, and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. Regs in Depth, today we're going to be taking a look at Rule 16, which is action by give-way vessel. As always, I'm going to talk about the rule itself and then show you some examples of how it applies by the give-way vessel. Every vessel directed to keep out of the way of another shall, so far as possible, take early is a key word here, and substantial, again substantial is key, to keep well clear. So this basically means if you're the give-way vessel, you need to act early, make it substantial so it's obvious, and that action has to result in you staying well clear. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. Coral Regs in Depth, today we're going to be taking a look at Rule 17, which is the action by the stand-on vessel. As always, we're going to be looking at the rule itself and applying it in various situations. Let's dive straight into the first paragraph. Where one of two vessels is to keep out of the way, the other shall keep her course and speed. So what does this actually mean? In this diagram we're going to place ourselves on the red vessel and we're going to be approaching the white vessel. I'm going to use the same diagram to explain this rule in full, so we'll keep coming back to this one. And it's safe to assume that risk of collision exists. We've already monitored and determined we're on a constant bearing. So in this situation it's a crossing situation, and as the two vessels are approaching each other, the red vessel is the stand-on vessel. So according to the first part of Rule 17, she needs to maintain her course and speed.